Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from amandacrochets.com, and in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make the blossom stitch. The blossom stitch is another beautiful stitch that combines the V stitches and chain stitches in order to make this textured pattern. And all you need to know how to make this blossom stitch is how to make a chain, a single crochet, and a double crochet in order to complete the blossom stitch. This pattern is simple to work up and can be shaped into making hats, scarves, blankets, and more. So let's follow along today with the blossom stitch pattern and learn how to make this beautiful textured V-stitch pattern. So for today's tutorial, you're going to need a size I9 5.5mm crochet hook, and you're also going to need some worsted weight yarn. I'm just using some I Love This yarn from Hobby Lobby. You can use any yarn and any hook size that you'd like, as long as you look at the recommended hook size for your skein of yarn and use that for today's tutorial. Today is just going to be a practice swatch. So to make the blossom stitch, you're going to need to make a chain of a multiple of 4 plus 1. This means you're going to do 4 plus 4 plus 4 until you get your desired length, and then you're going to add one more stitch to the very end of your chain. So you want to just have any multiple of 4 and add one chain to the very end. So for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just going to be making a chain of 21. So to make a chain, you're going to do yarn over your hook and pull through that loop on your hook. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So when you have your multiple of 4 plus 1, you're going to make a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the third chain from your hook. So you're going to count 3 chains from your hook, so the loop on your hook does not count. You're going to count 3, so 1, 2, and 3. And in that third chain from your hook, you're going to make 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet. So yarn over your hook, insert your hook into that third chain from your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that is your first double crochet. Next, you're going to make a chain 1, and you're going to make 1 double crochet in that same chain that you just made that double crochet. So you're going to go right back into that same chain and make another double crochet. So yarn over your hook, insert your hook into that same chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that is your second double crochet. Next, you're going to skip 1 chain and you're going to make a single crochet into the next chain. So you're going to skip that next chain, and in the chain after that you're going to make a single crochet. So to make a single crochet, you're going to insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through 2. And that is your single crochet. So after you make your single crochet, you're going to skip the next chain, and in the chain after that you're going to repeat what you just did. So you're going to make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet into that stitch, or that chain rather. So skip the next skip the next chain, and in the chain after that make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet into that same chain space. Skip the next chain, and in the chain after that make a single crochet. And you're just going to repeat this across your entire row. So again, skip the next chain, and the chain after that you're going to make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. Skip the next chain, and the chain after that make a single crochet. Skip the next chain, and the chain after that 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. Skip the next chain, and the chain after that make a single crochet. Skip the next chain, and the chain after that you're going to make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in that same chain. Okay, and then you're going to, when you get to the last 2 chains, you're going to skip 1 chain, and you're going to make a single crochet into that final chain. So you have 2 chains left, skip 1 chain, and make a single crochet into the very last chain of your row. And then this is what your first row will look like. This is a very similar stitch to the double crochet V-stitch. So next we're going to chain 4 and turn. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and turn our work. Now this chain 4 is going to act as your double crochet, so the first 3 chains is going to act as your double crochet, and then the 4th chain is going to count as your chain 1. So we're going to be using the very first chain of your row. That's going to be considered your first double crochet. So next you're going to make 1 single crochet in the chain 1 space from the previous row. So in between this space right here, you're just going to make a single crochet. Next you're going to chain 1, and you're going to make 1 double crochet in the next single crochet. So this is your double crochet right here, and this is your single crochet. So you're going to make a double crochet into that single crochet stitch, just like that. And then you're going to chain 1. You're going to skip the next double crochet, and you're going to repeat what you just did all the way across. So in that next chain 1 space right here, you're going to make a single crochet and chain 1, and you're going to find that next single crochet, which is right here. So you're going to skip that double crochet, and you're going to find that single crochet, and you're going to make 1 double crochet and chain 1. Next you're going to find that next chain 1 space and go right in between and make a single crochet and chain 1. Find that next single crochet and make 1 double crochet, as well as a chain 1. Find that next chain 1 space and go right in between and make a single crochet and chain 1. Find that next single crochet and make 1 double crochet and chain 1. And when you get to the end, you're going to find that final chain 1 space and make a single crochet and chain 1. And you're going to find that last double crochet, which is the chains that you skipped at the front, and you're going to just go right into this stitch right here and make a double crochet. And this is what 2 rows looks like. So next we're going to chain 1 and turn. For row 3, you're going to make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet into the next single crochet. So you're going to find that next single crochet, which is right here, and you're going to make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, all into that single crochet from the previous row. And then after that, you're going to skip the next stitch and you're going to make a single crochet into the next double crochet. So your next double crochet is right here. So you're going to make a single crochet in the top of that double crochet. You're going to skip the chain 1, and in that single crochet you're going to make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. You're going to skip that chain 1, and in the top of that double crochet you're going to make a single crochet. And you're just going to repeat this all the way across your row. So look for that next single crochet and make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, all in that single crochet stitch. Find that next double crochet and make a single crochet. And again, you're just going to repeat this all the way across until you get to the end of your row. Okay, so then when you get to the end of your row, you're going to make a single crochet into the 3rd chain. So remember, we made a chain 4, so you're going to count up 3, so 1, 2, and 3, and in that chain 3 you're just going to make a single crochet. And this is what your 3rd row of the blossom stitch looks like. So you could see the pattern forming and you can see the texture forming. So you're going to chain 4 and turn. And basically you're going to be repeating rows 2 and 3 over again to practice. So again, for row 2, you're just going to make a single crochet into the chain 1 space. So again, find that chain 1 space, which is right here, and you're going to make a single crochet. And then you're going to chain 1. You're going to find that next single crochet and you're going to make a double crochet and chain 1, and then next chain 1 space you're going to make a single crochet and a chain 1. The next single crochet you're going to make 1 double crochet and chain 1, and like I said, you're just going to repeat rows 2 and 3 over and over again to practice. So I'm going to go ahead and make a few more rows just so you can see the texture as well as the blossom pattern itself, and I will meet back up with you to show you what more rows looks like. So here's what a few more rows of the blossom stitch looks like. Like I said, it's a very beautiful and textured stitch, and you can really see the stitch definition when you repeat those 2 different rows together. Now you can definitely make this in a variegated yarn, or you can make this in a self-striping yarn. It really depends on what you would like to do. That's why I always recommend making a small swatch first, just to see what your pattern looks like before you commit to a larger project. So that way, if you use a variegated yarn and you see if you like the project or not, you can continue with that yarn, or you can use a solid or a self-striping yarn, as I mentioned. So again, this is what the blossom stitch looks like. All you would do is repeat rows 2 and 3 over and over again to achieve this look. And I will leave the written instructions in the description box below. So thank you so much for joining me today and learning how to make the blossom stitch. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And as always, happy crocheting! Bye!